In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can change your Shopify store name in 2021 and beyond. So this is a very short tutorial that is going to show it in a very easy way. So it's actually not that hard. You want to go to the home page, then go down to settings when you're logged in on your Shopify account. And as you can see, here are all different kinds of important settings. And in order to change the name, you want to go to the General tab right here. And here you can see the store details and some more information down here. And the first option is the store name. So what we can do, we can just get rid of this and then change this to how to simple 21 or 2212. Just like this. So I change this and then hit save. And yeah, there we go. It's available. So now the store name has changed on the Shopify store. So everyone who visits the store or the website, they will see this as the store name. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.